Hey everyone, it's Friday, November 6th. Today, after you go and check in on campus, then you can go ahead and watch this book talk that Mr. Escrow made for you. And then when you're done, then you need to go and pick 2 articles on gun violence from the options. So your options are all listed over here. When you click on it, it should bring you to Schoology, and you can pick 2 of those options. Then when you're finished reading through the article, then you need to do a fact and opinion sheet. And if you click here, it'll ask you to make a copy. I'll bring up this sheet. So when we're creating an argument, we need to think about the types of sources that we're using. So we need to appeal to the opinions of others, especially when they're considered experts and their information is useful. We also have to be able to identify opinions so that we know what we can question. So we need to look for biased word choice, especially emotionally loaded words or words that have a lot of emotional or connotative meaning behind them. Selective details, this is the other side being represented, and any absolutes. So if anything is described as always or never, those are usually opinions. So what you need to do is go through the article. You need to find some quotes, fill all of these out. So find the quote, and then you need to mark whether it's fact or opinion, and then indicate how you can tell. So explain how you can tell. When you're finished with this sheet, you can go ahead and put it in the drop box here. We're going to keep working with gun violence articles next week, so make sure that you have them read. Have a great day.